Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford Explorer in a sport trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with a ton of power with some excellent fuel efficiency and four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we have a power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area and third row seating area, because you do have seating for six in this vehicle with a full leather interior. They get their own cup holders and everything. You have power controls for the third row, so you can put them up, stow them. You still have a ton of cargo room, even with the seats up, and a 12-volt power outlet. This also closes again with the press of a button. Looking into the second row seat, where you have seating for two, as well as having a center console. You have two cup holders, and the console actually opens from the back, giving you a sort of tray area. And then underneath this cover, you have a very deep storage area, so that's pretty nice too. You can throw snacks in there, whatever you like. And then in the middle, you have your rear climate controls, two USBs, 110-volt power outlet, and two more cup holders. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the odometer, which is sitting at 86,608 kilometers. Moving on to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can access your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And then on the left side you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can cycle through your display mode with distance to empty, RPMs, and oil temperature. Tire pressures, digital speedometer, four-wheel drive status, distance to empty, trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assistance features and settings, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there for whatever you want to listen to. Digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated steering wheel, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your hazards, park assist sensor shut off, and your forward-facing camera view. You do have a premium Sony sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Of course, all your media controls here, and physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats. And you've got this compartment here with a USB and 12-volt power outlet inside. Then you've got your main shifter, as well as having paddle shifters on the steering wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. 2 cup holders, and then your terrain mode selector, which is mud rut, sand mode, and then snow, gravel, grass, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. You also have your hill descent assist button in the middle of that, and then your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB. And last but not least, you do have a twin panel moonroof so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.